up, guys? Alex with Empire here, lead detailer. Behind me today, I got a 2019 Rolls Royce Dawn. We're gonna be doing a polish on it with a 3-year ceramic coating. So let's go ahead and kill it.
Well, guys, there we have it. We just finished polishing and ceramic coating this. It's all wrapped up. I just wanted to take the time to say like, comment, subscribe, follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, all that fun jazz. Let's take a final look at this beautiful 2019 Rolls Royce Dawn.